Hello traders, welcome back. This is my analysis for the Euro versus United States dollar, in which I'll discuss my point of view regarding the graphical analysis and the opportunities for the week ahead. If this is your first time here and you'd like more videos like this in the future, make sure to subscribe. Now I'll start with the weekly chart in order to get the direction, and then with the daily chart for further information and for the actual trading opportunities. On the weekly chart, the bias is bullish, and that's because, first of all, of this pin bar, then because the price closed the week above this 1.2288, and of course because the trend is still ascending. Now let's look on the daily chart. On the daily chart, the bias is also bullish, and that's because, first of all, of this bullish engulfing pattern, and secondly, because price falsely broke this 1.2205, which is actually the psychological level 1.22. But here's the thing. Price printed this low here, and the question is, this low should be taken in relation with this low, and thus is this low here the confirmation of the same support that this low here confirmed, or is it just a lower low in relation with this low here? Well, the answer can be given only by the next high. So if I were to see price reaching this zone here, so around the previous peak, or if I see price getting above this peak and above this 1.2537, then yes, this means that this zone over here actually confirmed this support, and it is not a lower low, at least a relevant lower low for price action. However, if price prints a lower high in relation with this previous high, this means that price will oscillate in this downwards channel, and of course the plan should be adjusted in such a way. Now, for the time being, let's see which are the trading opportunities. The first trading opportunity occurs if price gets above this 1.2335 and confirms it as a support by means of, for example, a hammer with the low under the level or just exactly at the same price with that level, or by means of a bullish engulfing, or by any kind of pattern that gives credit to the bulls, okay, any bullish pattern. This is the first scenario. The second scenario is the one in which price prints a flag like so, or maybe a pennant like so, and the actual confirmation, the actual buying opportunity occurs if price manages to close a candle above the 1.2335 level, and the profit target for such price action would be around the first target would be just under this 1.2447 level, so around 1.2440, and the second target would be around or just under this psychological level 1.25, and of course these two targets are also valid for the first scenario. But in relation with the second scenario, be aware of the fact that price could print a candle like so with an extended tail upwards and a closure under this 1.2345, and in this case this is a selling opportunity, an aggressive selling opportunity, and maybe a short-lived one, but it is a selling opportunity, and the targets would be like so. The first target would be just above the psychological level 1.2205 on the chart, and above this 1.2092 level, so around the psychological level 1.21. After this move, price could continue its descent and get under this 1.21 level, confirm it as a resistance, and in this case the bias clearly will be a bearish one. But I prefer to talk about that if and when price goes there. Another thing to keep in mind is the fact that if price actually confirms the scenario in which this is actually a lower low and the new peak will actually be a lower high in relation with this one, well, a selling opportunity will materialize, and the selling opportunity comes like so if I see price getting above this level, this 1.2447, confirming or this line or maybe this level, and then getting under, I prefer this line also, anyways, getting under this 1.2447 and confirming it as a resistance, then I will sell. And the targets are like so, just above this 1.2345, the first target, and the second target just above this 1.22 psychological level. Again, I prefer to see the confirmation of the line, but again, the confirmation of the level may also occur. However, that is a slightly different story, and it's not, corresponding with the theory, as I said earlier, in which price is actually making a lower low here. And if I were to consider this a lower low in relation with this one, as I said, I must see a lower high. And if price reaches this zone, well, as I said, it's not anymore a lower high. So if I really feel that after reaching this zone, price could continue its descent, and I really want to sell, I would sell, but with a smaller volume. However, if price confirms this line and then goes under the level, I would sell with my standard volume for the money management that I have for my account. And the last possibility is the one in which price gets above this 1.2547 and confirms it as a support. However, this is a little too far, and though also this trade over here is a little too far from the present moment. So again, I prefer to talk about it when price gets there in order to see all the variables and to get a better sense. So that's all. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, I made another video about the Australian dollar versus United States dollar. Remember to like if you enjoyed the video, subscribe if you want to get more videos like this in the future, and comment to let me know what you think and what you'd like to see in future videos. Trade well and take care.